Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the highest common factor of following by prime factorization method. And we have to find the highest common factor of 121 and 286. Firstly, let us see for 121. Now 121 can be divisible by only 11. So 121 divided by 11 is 11. 11 divided by 11 is 1. So 121 can be written as 11 into 11 into 1. Now let us check for 286. Okay. Now firstly 286 can be divisible by 2. So we will get 143. Then that 143 can be divisible by 11. So 143 by 11 is 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. So 286 is 2 into 11 into 13 into 1. Hence, highest common factor of 121 and 286, we can observe here, highest common factor is 11. Okay.